Hello and welcome again to the Company Interiors channel. My name's Nick Clark, and in today's video we're very excited to show a brand new series on how you can do floral design, floral styling using preserved plants. So this is part of our biophilic design, bringing nature into our interior, into the man-made environment. So let me introduce you to Denise. She's going to show you how to make some of these products. You can visit our shop, it is in the description below the video, and you can also apply for some free samples. So click on the link in the description and we can send you some of these products to try yourself to make some of these displays. So let's take a look at what Denise is offering today.
Hi, Denise here from Company Interiors. Today I'm continuing our series in fall display using a variety of preserved foliage and flowers from the Company Interiors line. And I just want to show you how easy it is to put together a simple arrangement that you can use in a bedroom, in an office, wherever you like. And it doesn't require any floral design skills. So first off, I just wanted to show you this pretty little vase, pink vase with some beautiful eucalyptus populus. It's gorgeous purpley color, nice round leaves, and how effective that is just on its own. Just the leaves in a vase, doesn't really need much else to make it beautiful. But if you want to make it more of an arrangement, you can add some other elements to give it some depth. So today I'm working with red ivy, beautiful dark red scabiose, and a pink diosme. Now these elements are just going to give you some extra interest to make it into a pretty arrangement for your desk, entranceway, whatever you like really. So once you have your eucalyptus, I would say that's your kind of starting point because that's your biggest flower. So just arrange those into whatever vase or container you're using. You can go taller or shorter, whatever you have. I've cut them just down slightly to fit into this area. So the only tool you need for this project is a nice little pair of clippers. So you take whatever pieces of ivy you have, cut them into the shape, length you want to start inserting them into your arrangement. So I'm just going to intersperse these amongst the leaves of your eucalyptus. So you want sort of slightly shorter pieces around the sides, and then you're going to save your taller pieces to go straight down the middle to give you your height. Now really this is just a mix of leaves right now, so you're just creating interest in your foliage. Quite a few pieces. They have dark reds, light reds. Gives you some dimension. As I said, this is not a complicated arrangement. This is literally just putting a few pieces in a vase, but you'll see when we're done how effective it is to bring these colors together. You can pull off little leaves at the bottom if your pieces need to be trimmed. These are preserved elements, as I said, so it means that the water has been taken out of the product and replaced with glycerin, so it preserves the natural flower or foliage in this case, but they last forever. So I think that's coming along. So already you can see now we just have the eucalyptus and the ivy, but just those two leaf products together there gives some nice dimension and depth to it. And if I add another element, the pink flower. Now I like bringing in the lighter pink to this arrangement because it makes a sort of slightly more fresh feel to it, even though it's fall. We're kind of in that transition period of September, summer into fall, and we don't want it to look too wintry just yet, so when you start putting the lighter pink in there, it gives you a nice contrast. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip some of these pieces and again intersperse them throughout the arrangement. Shorter ones to the front and sides, taller ones in the middle. I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so I think that's coming along now. We have three elements in, the two leaves and the little pink flower. And you can see already how it's starting to come together. Now, the one more piece I would like to put into this is the scabiose. Because of the texture, I love the little round flower bud. And I think that gives a nice element of texture to your arrangement. So right now we have leaves and flowers, and anytime you're doing floral design, you want to try and create visual interest with different shapes, different textures, different colors. So as we're working just 4 elements here, it's important that those 4 elements work nicely together to give you those contrasts. Again, shorter pieces towards the front. Intersperse them throughout your arrangement. So I'll go ahead and do this, and you can check back in a few minutes. Okay, so here we are with a little finished arrangement. As you saw how easy that was, just to put a few pieces together. Some different colors and textures makes a very pretty little arrangement that you could use in lots of places in your home or your office. So that was it for that one. Check back in with us for our next video. We're going to show you how to make a very pretty arrangement using a red-green hydrangea and all these same elements, and also a beautiful fall wreath. Check the other videos.